What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Elrond here, and as we can see, it's doing extremely well, isn't it? Recently made a new all-time high here, coming up to around $330, which is absolutely incredible to see. I'm just going to outline this with a nice little green line like this. I'm going to change this one to a red line, because clearly, you know, we need to update our little parameters here. You can see here, overall, Elrond looking really, really good. Quite clear on a macro scale here. Higher high, higher low, higher high. Back tested the higher low, the previous swing high, and then continuation would be super bullish to see. But overall, a really top quality project. Lots of fundamental news on the way. And pretty clear here that the chart is looking extremely bullish. Obviously throwing the fib retracement on here, you can see as well. Now that we've broke our previous all-time high, which was that $245 level for a good while, you can see here we're chunking our way up towards that 127 extension at $375, which we did say for a long time was our price target. From high to low here, we pulled our fib retracement, and you can see here resistance, support, resistance, resistance, flipped into support. Resistance, support, we run all the way up to that $300 level. Very big psychological resistance. Come back down to support, which is the 078, which is obviously amazing to see. Resistance at the previous all-time high. We coil up. We basically break our way up and just, you know, coil in this formation for a good while here, which we were talking about. You can see here coiling, 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 still coiling very nicely. And then obviously got the breakout back up to the all-time high, rolled over to backtest the previous all-time high here as support. Really good to see here. And then you can see obviously after that, once we broke out, back tested the previous all-time high support, we ran up and made a new all-time high, didn't we? Where we, you know, we coiled up again, you could say, looking something like this, coiled up a little bit, ran up to the next high, which is at around that $330 level. And then since then we've been ranging a little bit, haven't we? If we look at our hourly time frame here, you can quite clearly see the range very, very nicely between the all-time high and that previous swing high area. Something like this at $305. You can see here, this is a very nice little, you know, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. Clearly ranging right now. And, you know, you could argue that maybe a good entry would be back down at this $300-ish level, which is going to be a very strong psychological support now that's been flipped into support as well, after previously being resistance for so long. But would say overall, Elrond, obviously a great project, really undervalued. Obviously a lot of layer ones having a time to shine at the minute. And, you know, if Elrond does start to pump out some of the DeFi that it's been promising for a while, along with its Maya exchange and a lot of other stuff, we could be looking at Elrond being a very, very big player in the future with, you know, a massive market cap, because it's still relatively small in comparison to a lot of other competitors. You know, I think it's a top 30 crypto right now, which could easily be in the top 10. If it does get the right kind of partnerships, the right kind of investment, you know, you could easily see it doing a 5 or a 10x from the current price, in our opinion, which would see it well past $1,000, which would be our conservative price target, which we tend to lean on a lot. But overall, we really do think this is a really bullish chart. You can see quite clearly here that we've just, you know, we've basically made that cup and that handle, and now you are expecting this to, you know, start heading up the stairs, going through these fib levels into the final part of the bull market, we would say. So we'll do short-term price predictions then, just to keep things short and sweet. If we roll over, we'd expect that $300 level, as we said, to hold here. And if we rolled over further than that, coming down towards that $280 area, where there is a lot of swing high support that we could see, with also the, you know, the 20 EMA coming up as well. But considering how bullish everything's looking right now, Bitcoin about to head to all-time highs in our opinion, we could be looking at Elrond heading up to its next target, which would be that 127 extension at $375-ish, which would be our next target. And then, as we just said, we do think over $1,000 for Elrond is very, very likely in our opinion, especially considering how bullish the fundamentals are. and that is only around a 3 and a bit X from the current price, which is very possible indeed. This is a great project and we really do think it's going to do well, so that's it guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.